many dudes they got in this private army? Hey, I'm here!
There's our ride!
Good kid!
Go, 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 go! Go left! There's another tank coming from the right!
Hey, quite a disturbance you causing.
Ah, shit. Well, you know me and Trevor. Wherever we go, drama follows.
That's one way of putting it. Hey, hold on. We ain't going through here.
Let's go inside the group.
He shot old man, huh? I'm grouped just fine.
Man, y'all look hot in the motherfucker in these suits.
Hey, let's get that train. What the fuck?
Looks like this is the way out!